Smile.
What do you want, Eggman?
Please help me, Knuckles.
If we don't do something fast, Sonic could make us prisoners on this planet forever. If we can gather all 7 of the Chaos Emeralds, there's a fighting chance that we can somehow reverse the effect that sent us to this world and return to where we came from. Sonic knew he could use the Chaos Emeralds to warp himself through time and space. That's the reason he attacked Chaos Control. He found out that I'd collected all the Chaos Emeralds to keep them out of his grasp. You know how reckless Sonic is. I was afraid of what he might do if he got hold of the emeralds, so I set up defenses. But there was no stopping Sonic. He was determined to push his selfish search for thrills all the way this time, no matter who got hurt. Finally, Sonic invaded Chaos Control. And to my horror, he finally achieved his goal. Sonic destroyed Chaos Control and sent us all here, just for the fun of it. Sonic, he's crazy.
I've changed my ways and want to live in peace, but Sonic won't let me. What can I do? He won't even give me a chance to fix things. I want to get us back, but when I found one of the Chaos Emeralds, do you know what happened? Sonic snatched it from me and said he's going to stay here as long as he pleases.
That selfish hog.
He said that we can't leave here until he says so. He thinks this world's a lot more fun than ours, and if we don't agree, it's our tough luck. You'd think he'd be more concerned about his buddy.
Sonic isn't my buddy! I'm sick and tired of Sonic turning everything into a game. Either Sonic gives us that emerald, or I'm going to take it from him.
Be careful. Sonic says he'll crush anybody who tries to get it back.
So then, a battle to the bitter end.
My chronic Sonic troubles are over.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Space, your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt,
fastest hedgehog around. Got ourselves a situation, stuck in a new location without any explanation. No time for relaxation. Don't wait, don't think, just go, 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 go. Sonic, he's on the run. Sonic, he's number one. Sonic, he's coming next, so watch out for Sonic. Gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go faster, 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 faster. Sonic, gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go faster, 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 faster. Sonic X.
A Chaos Emerald. Does anybody know where they come from or how they work? Nobody knows much except that they're real powerful.
I hope my analysis reveals something about its makeup.
I know you're in there. You haven't let me clean your room in so long, I'm issuing a dirt alert.
Oh no! It's Ella! Quick, Tails, hide! Huh? Whoa!
I thought I'd find you up here, Christopher.
Oh, hi there, Ella.
Keeping this room dust-free is a losing battle. Not that I'm complaining, but it's like trying to